Hey guys, so today we are going to make a project on Scratch. Today we are going to make a translator app. So it'll like translate from any language to another. For example, English to Spanish or English to Japanese, something like that. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to find this translate extension. You're just going to have to go right here, and then you'll find this translate text into many languages, and so you'll just add that as an extension. So I'm just going to delete the sprite, and I'm going to choose a sprite, and I'm going to choose a button. So I'm just going to rename it from button. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the costumes, and I'll go to text here. I'm gonna change this to black. Let it be sans serif. And I'm gonna type here translate. Translate. I'm gonna make this a little smaller so that case. I'm gonna delete this. So now we're going to have to start coding. So I'll go to the events. To the when green flag click. So we're gonna have to make three variables. I'm gonna delete the my variable first. I'm going to make this variable called word for the sprite only. And then I'm gonna show word. Then we're going to make another variable called language. I'm not going to show that either. And we're going to make the last variable, which is called answer. So now we are going to, first thing we are going to do is we're going to set answer to nothing. I'm duplicate the block. We are going to set language to nothing. Duplicate the block. And we're going to set word to nothing. So now we're going to have to do the translation code. And before that, I'm just going to create my own block, and I'm going to name it translate. And I'm going to place this translate block right here. So define translate. So the first thing we have to do here is ask. So we need to know what the person who's like looking at this project wants to translate the word into. So we are going to ask first what word. Okay, we're going to ask what word what word would you like translate. What would you like to translate? Now what we're going to do is we're going to set this the variable, not answer. We're going to set the variable word to the answer. So after you ask this question, the person who's viewing the project has going to answer something, and we are going to like set that answer into this variable. So next, what we're going to ask is the language. So I'm from the operator section. We're going to take this join apple banana, and here I'm going to type in what language would you like translate word into. Okay, so right here so So now what here I'm going to say that word that he that the person who's viewing the project entered before. So for example, it be like, in what language would you like to translate whole hello into, like that. So I'm going to take another John apple banana. First I'm going to erase this banana. I'm going to put John apple banana here. I'm going to put the variable word. In what language would you like to translate the word into? First. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set language to this answer. Now we're going to have to translate. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to translate section here. And first we're going to do, we're going to take the set answer to. So now what we're going to do here, we're going to go to translate and take this translate hello into Hungarian. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go to variables. We're going to translate the word, that input, that variable into the language that the viewer wants us to translate the word. So instead of Hungarian, I'm going to put the word, I'm going to put language here. And now we also going to have to say the answer, obviously. So we're going to go to looks. We're going to say, you're going to have to take John apple banana block again. So, and I'm going to put another John. So here I'm going to type word in. I'm gonna erase this banana. So word in. Let's see, word in. Well, yes, we're gonna take this language variable. Word in. Sorry, not a language. We're going to have to take a join apple banana, another join apple banana. So join word in language is, okay. No, we're going to have to take another join. Is ans. So this is our code for translation. Let's see if it works. What word would you like to translate? I'm going to put here. Let's see. I'm going to start with a simple. So that's hello. I translate hello into, and I'm going to say Japanese. Hello in Japanese is something something something. So our code worked, and let's just try a few other languages to test whether it's working. I'm gonna say food in Spanish. Spanish. Comida. Okay, so I think our code is working. So yeah, that's the code, and it was actually pretty simple. So I hope you are going to make this game, and I hope you enjoyed this video.